A chiropractor, he fitted my neck with a dental roll and it put extension in my neck. So I just lay on this thing pretty much every day and it opens up my neck. So what I have here is my neck is reversed from normal. Usually you can see on the left here, you should have a normal curvature of the neck. When you have a flattening of the spine, you actually compress the nerve roots that exit out of your spine. And this can cause tremendous amount of pain. I know I suffered for years with pain, and I thought, well, I'm just gonna have to live with this. I was thinking about even MRIing my neck, but I didn't want to go down the surgery path. Thankfully, the dental roll and a little bit of chiropractic helped a lot of my nerve pain. And why did this happen? Well, I did judo for 8 years, and judo involves thousands of repetitions of falling on the pavement, or a mat. It's a very hard mat, because my chiropractor asked me if I had been kicked in the head by a horse or had been in a car accident, like a high-speed vehicle collision. I was like, neither. I just did thousands of repetitions of judo over many years, and so it has caused a flattening of my spine. But you see a patient, they'll have falls, they'll have whiplash injuries from cars, and their necks will look like mine, and they'll have the same problem.